Ever wondered what DevOps is and why it's important? Well, let's start unraveling this mystery. DevOps, a clever blend of development and operations, is not just a buzzword. It's a transformative shift in the world of IT, a bridge that connects the often isolated islands of software development and IT operations. DevOps is the meeting point of culture, philosophy, practices, and tools that amplifies an organization's ability to deliver applications and services with great speed and efficiency. Now the question arises, why this sudden emphasis on speed? In today's digital age, where technology is evolving at a breakneck pace, the ability to deliver high-quality software quickly, or what we call high-velocity IT, gives businesses a competitive edge. Imagine you're a runner in a race. The faster you run while maintaining your stamina, the better your chances of winning, right? Similarly, DevOps helps organizations to run that race, enabling them to innovate for customers faster, adapt to changing markets better, and grow more efficient at driving business results. But how does it do that? DevOps achieves this by fostering a culture of collaboration and shared responsibility. It breaks down the silos between development and operations teams, encouraging them to work together, to run together. In our race analogy, resulting in faster problem solving, better resource management, and ultimately, quicker delivery of services. Moreover, DevOps is not just about speed. It's about continuous improvement, learning from failures, and constantly enhancing the system's stability and reliability. It's about creating an environment where you can experiment, learn, and adapt to change quickly, all with the aim of providing the best possible product or service to the customers. But remember, DevOps is not a destination, but a journey, a continuous one at that. It's about improving, evolving, and adapting constantly. And to aid in this journey, there are various tools that support the DevOps approach, each designed to increase efficiency and improve collaboration. Now that we know what DevOps is, let's delve into the tools that make it all possible. To implement DevOps, a variety of tools play a critical role. These tools make it possible for developers and operations teams to work together seamlessly, ensuring that software can be reliably built, tested, and released at a faster pace. Let's explore the different categories of DevOps tools that help make this possible. First up, we have continuous integration and continuous deployment tools, or CI/CD in short. These tools are the backbone of the DevOps approach. They facilitate regular integration of code changes, automated testing, and seamless deployment to production environments. With CI/CD tools, errors can be detected and rectified early in the development cycle, significantly reducing the time and effort involved in delivering high-quality software. Next, we have configuration management and infrastructure as code, or IAC tools. These tools help in automating the setup, configuration, and management of servers and other infrastructure components. With IAC, you can manage your infrastructure in the same way you manage your code, versioning, reviewing, and automating. This leads to more consistent, reliable, and repeatable systems. Finally, we have monitoring and logging tools. These are vital for maintaining the health of systems and applications in a DevOps environment. They provide insights into system performance, help detect and troubleshoot issues, and offer visibility into operational metrics. With these tools, teams can proactively address issues, often before they impact end users. To summarize, each category of DevOps tools contributes to a different aspect of the development and operations process. CI/CD tools streamline the integration and deployment of code. Configuration management and IAC tools automate the setup and management of infrastructure, and monitoring and logging tools provide vital insights into system health and performance. Remember, these tools are not standalone solutions, but part of an integrated DevOps toolchain designed to bring together development and operations teams for more efficient and reliable software delivery. Next, we will delve into each tool in detail. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD, is a critical component of DevOps. It's like the backbone of the DevOps methodology, providing a streamlined, automated path for developers to release their code changes more frequently and reliably. Now let's explore some of the popular tools used in CI/CD processes. First up, we have Jenkins. This open-source automation server allows developers to build, test, and deploy their applications with great efficiency. Jenkins is often celebrated for its vast plugin ecosystem, which extends its capabilities well beyond CI/CD. This tool is highly customizable and can be configured according to the specific needs of the project. It also supports version control systems like Git, Mercurial, and Subversion, which makes it a versatile choice for various development environments. Next on our list is Circle CI. This cloud-based CI/CD service excels at automating the testing and deployment of software in the cloud. Circle CI comes with a robust set of features, including parallel execution, which speeds up test times. One of the unique selling points of Circle CI is its container-based infrastructure, which allows each build to have its own dedicated, clean environment. This eliminates any inconsistencies or discrepancies between development, testing, and production environments. Travis CI is another noteworthy tool in the CI/CD toolbox. Like Circle CI, it's a cloud-based service, but it's specifically tailored for projects hosted on GitHub. With Travis CI, any changes pushed to GitHub automatically trigger a build process, allowing developers to spot and fix issues early. Travis CI also supports a multitude of programming languages, making it a popular choice for diverse development teams. Let's not forget about GitLab CI/CD. As a part of the larger GitLab platform, GitLab CI/CD is a powerful tool that handles the entire lifecycle of an application, from code management to testing and deployment. It's all integrated within the same user interface, which makes it a convenient choice for many developers. Then there's Bamboo, a CI/CD server solution from Atlassian. Bamboo supports builds in any programming language and provides features like automatic merging and deployment pipelines. It's particularly well suited for large teams that require high levels of control and customization over their build and deployment processes. These tools, while different in their specifics, all share a common goal: to automate the process of integrating changes and deploying applications. This automation not only speeds up the development process, but also reduces the risk of errors that can occur when these tasks are done manually. In essence, CI/CD tools take the pain out of integration and deployment, allowing developers to focus on what they do best, creating fantastic software. They enable a culture of continuous improvement where teams can release small, incremental changes frequently and with confidence. This is a key aspect of the DevOps philosophy and a major driver of its success. In conclusion, continuous integration and continuous deployment tools play a critical role in the DevOps landscape. They are the gears that keep the DevOps machine running smoothly, helping teams to deliver high-quality software at a rapid pace. Whether you're using Jenkins, Circle CI, Travis CI, GitLab CI/CD, Bamboo, or any other tool, remember that the ultimate goal is to enhance collaboration and streamline the development process. CI/CD tools are crucial for maintaining a high velocity of code deployment. They are the unsung heroes of the DevOps world, working behind the scenes to make software development quicker, safer, and more efficient. So the next time you push a code change, take a moment to appreciate the power of CI/CD. It's truly a game changer in the world of software development. Configuration management and infrastructure as code, or IAC, tools are the backbone of a DevOps environment. Let's dive into some of the key players in this space: Ansible, Chef, Puppet, and Terraform. Each of these tools plays a pivotal role in automating the provisioning and management of IT infrastructure, essentially allowing developers to write code that automates the setup of their servers and other infrastructure components. Starting with Ansible, a powerful tool that falls under the category of configuration management. It's designed to help system administrators coordinate and manage their infrastructure. Ansible operates by connecting your nodes and pushing out small programs, aptly named Ansible modules. What's particularly fantastic about Ansible is its simplicity. It's easy to set up, and its playbooks, written in YAML, are straightforward to read and write. This means less time grappling with setup and more time optimizing your infrastructure. Next up, let's talk about Chef. Chef is both a company and a configuration management tool written in Ruby and Erlang. It uses a pure Ruby domain-specific language for writing system configurations. The primary function of Chef is to streamline the task of configuring and maintaining a company's servers. It achieves this by providing you the ability to define reusable code known as cookbooks and recipes. These allow you to manage everything from simple tasks like managing files and installing software packages to more complex tasks involving multi-tiered applications. Now, on to Puppet, another excellent player in configuration management. Puppet allows you to manage your infrastructure as code, ensuring consistency, reliability, and stability. It uses its declarative language to describe system configuration, which means you describe the end state, and Puppet figures out how to achieve it. This is particularly useful for large-scale systems where manual configuration could easily lead to inconsistencies. Last but certainly not least, we have Terraform, a tool for building, changing, and versioning infrastructure safely and efficiently. It's an infrastructure as code tool that allows you to provide a high-level description of your data center infrastructure using a declarative language. With Terraform, you can manage a wide variety of service providers as well as custom in-house solutions, providing flexibility and control over your infrastructure. So how do these tools help in automating the provisioning and management of IT infrastructure? Well, imagine you're tasked with setting up a server. You could do it manually, step by step, or you could use one of these tools to automate the process. You'd simply write a script detailing the server's desired state, and the tool would do the rest, setting up the server exactly as specified. Now, imagine you have to scale this up to dozens or even hundreds of servers, each with their specific configurations. Doing this manually would be a Herculean task. But with these tools, it's as simple as tweaking your script and running it. The tools take care of the rest, ensuring each server is set up exactly as specified, quickly and without errors. These tools not only automate the process but also standardize it, ensuring that every server, regardless of who set it up or when, is configured the same way. This eliminates the "it works on my machine" problem, where code works on one machine but not on another due to differences in configuration. In summary, configuration management and infrastructure as code tools like Ansible, Chef, Puppet, and Terraform are vital in a DevOps environment. They automate and standardize the process of setting up and managing servers, allowing for quick, error-free deployment and management of infrastructure. This, in turn, allows the team to focus on improving the product rather than spending time on repetitive, manual tasks. IAC tools simplify and speed up infrastructure management, a critical aspect of DevOps. Monitoring and logging is essential in a DevOps environment for maintaining the health and performance of applications and infrastructure. In the world of DevOps, it's crucial to ensure that our applications and systems are running smoothly. To do that, we must have a way to monitor and log the performance of these systems. And that's where monitoring and logging tools come into play. Let's start with monitoring. Monitoring is all about keeping an eye on your system. It's about tracking the operations, checking for any irregularities, and making sure everything is functioning as it should be. And one of the most popular tools for this task is Prometheus. Prometheus is an open-source system monitoring and alerting toolkit. It's designed to handle the demanding monitoring needs of a cloud-native world. With Prometheus, you can collect and store time series data about your systems, such as metrics and statistics. It's built to work well in a dynamic environment where services may come and go, and where dealing with machine failure and other issues is part of the everyday routine. Now, once you've gathered all this data, you need a way to visualize it, to make sense of it. And that's where Grafana comes in. Grafana is an open-source platform for data visualization, monitoring, and analysis. It allows you to create beautiful and informative dashboards from your Prometheus data. With Grafana, you can delve deep into your data, uncovering insights that help you optimize your systems. But monitoring is just one part of the equation. We also need to talk about logging. Logging is the process of recording events in a system to understand the behavior of an application or to diagnose problems. One of the most popular tools for managing logs is the ELK stack, which stands for Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. Elasticsearch is a search and analytics engine. It allows you to store, search, and analyze big volumes of data quickly and in near real time. Logstash is a server-side data processing pipeline that ingests data from various sources, transforms it, and then sends it to a stash like Elasticsearch. And Kibana is a data visualization tool, much like Grafana, but specifically for Elasticsearch data. It allows you to visualize your Elasticsearch data and navigate the Elastic Stack. These tools work together to collect, process, store, and visualize logging data. With them, you can keep a close eye on your application logs, making it easier to spot any issues or anomalies. They give you a detailed view of what's happening inside your applications and systems, helping you to troubleshoot problems faster and more efficiently. But why are monitoring and logging so important in DevOps? Well, in a DevOps environment, we're aiming for continuous delivery and integration. We're constantly updating and deploying new code, and with each update, there's a risk of introducing new problems or bugs. Monitoring and logging tools help us spot these issues early before they have a chance to impact the performance or functionality of our applications. Furthermore, these tools also enable us to be proactive rather than reactive. Instead of waiting for problems to occur and then fixing them, we can use these tools to spot potential issues before they become actual problems. This leads to higher uptime, better performance, and happier users. In conclusion, monitoring and logging tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and the Elk Stack are essential in a DevOps environment. They provide us with the data we need to understand our applications and systems. They help us spot issues early, diagnose problems faster, and maintain the high performance and reliability that our users expect. Monitoring and logging tools provide the visibility needed to maintain high performance and uptime. There are several other tools that are integral to a DevOps environment. As we delve further into the world of DevOps, it's important to explore some of the other essential tools that help streamline processes and enable efficient workflows. Let's start with Docker, a popular tool for containerization. In the realm of DevOps, containerization is a method that encapsulates an application in a container with its own operating environment. This is incredibly useful as it allows developers to manage and migrate their applications seamlessly across different computing environments. Enter Docker. Docker is a platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of applications within containers. With Docker, the team can ensure that the application runs the same, regardless of the environment it's deployed in, which significantly reduces issues related to inconsistencies between development, testing, and production environments. It's like having your own portable and self-sufficient mini environments for each of your applications. Next up, let's talk about Kubernetes, a tool that takes containerization to the next level with container orchestration. If Docker is the container, Kubernetes is the ship that carries and manages these containers. In a DevOps context, you might have multiple Docker containers running different components of your application. Kubernetes helps manage these containers, ensuring they communicate effectively with one another, and scaling them up or down based on the needs of your application. It's an incredibly powerful tool that helps manage complex applications and ensures they run smoothly and efficiently. Moving on, let's discuss Git, a tool that's almost synonymous with version control in the world of software development. Version control is crucial in a DevOps environment as it allows multiple developers to work on the same code base without stepping on each other's toes. Git is a distributed version control system that tracks changes in the source code, allowing developers to work on different versions of the code and merge changes when they're ready. It also provides a historical record of code changes, making it easier to track and fix bugs. In a nutshell, Git is the backbone of collaborative coding and an indispensable tool in a DevOps toolkit. Last, but certainly not least, we have Jira, a project management tool that's widely used in DevOps teams. Jira is designed to help teams plan, track, and release software, making it easier to manage work across the entire software development lifecycle. With Jira, teams can create user stories, plan sprints, and distribute tasks across the team. It also provides real-time visual data, making it easier to track progress and identify bottlenecks. From a DevOps perspective, Jira is a great tool to manage the flow of work from development to operations, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and that work is progressing smoothly. In conclusion, these tools, Docker for containerization, Kubernetes for container orchestration, Git for version control, and Jira for project management each play a vital role in a DevOps environment. They contribute to the efficiency, transparency, and collaboration that are the hallmarks of a successful DevOps workflow. They help manage complex applications, track changes in code, facilitate collaborative working, and streamline project management. These tools, among others, form the comprehensive toolkit of a DevOps practitioner. We have covered a lot of ground today, understanding DevOps and exploring its many tools. Let's take a moment to summarize the journey we've been on, the key points we've discussed, and how these tools can bring about a transformative change in the IT landscape. DevOps, a blend of development and operations, is a practice that bridges the gap between these two traditionally siloed teams. It fosters a culture of collaboration and shared responsibility, promoting faster and more efficient software delivery. The essence of DevOps lies in its continuous cycle of planning, coding, building, testing, releasing, deploying, operating, and monitoring. This holistic approach enables teams to respond to changes swiftly and maintain high standards of quality and reliability. As we delve deeper into the DevOps ecosystem, we explored its various tools. Each tool has a specific role to play, yet they all work in harmony to support the DevOps lifecycle. Starting with continuous integration and continuous deployment tools like Jenkins and Bamboo, we saw how they automate the process of merging code changes and deploying the software into production. By doing so, they help teams identify and fix bugs quicker, improve software quality, and reduce the time to release new software updates. Next, we discussed configuration management and infrastructure as code tools, such as Ansible and Terraform. These tools automate the process of managing and provisioning the tech stack for an application. They ensure consistency across environments and reduce the risk of human error, leading to improved operational efficiency and stability. We then moved on to monitoring and logging tools like Prometheus and Elk Stack. These tools provide real-time insights into the system's performance and help in identifying any irregularities or failures. By enabling proactive problem-solving, they significantly contribute to maintaining high system availability and enhancing user experience. And finally, we looked at other essential DevOps tools like Docker and Kubernetes, which offer containerization and orchestration solutions. These tools help in creating, deploying, and managing applications in isolated environments, making the applications more portable and the infrastructure more scalable. But remember, the magic of DevOps isn't just in these tools. It's in how you use them to cultivate a culture of collaboration, transparency, and continuous improvement. It's about breaking down silos and enabling teams to work together towards a common goal. The tools are just facilitators, aiding in the process of achieving operational excellence and delivering high-quality software at a faster pace. The benefits of implementing DevOps and its tools are manifold. Faster time to market, increased deployment frequency, reduced failure rate of new releases, shorter lead time between fixes, and faster mean time to recovery. In short, DevOps helps businesses to be more agile, deliver better products, and satisfy their customers. However, adopting DevOps and its tools is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each organization, each team, and each project has unique needs and challenges. It's essential to choose the right set of tools that align with your specific requirements and to train your team effectively to leverage these tools. As we wind up, let's remember that the world of IT is ever evolving, and so is DevOps. New tools and practices are continually emerging, aiming to solve new challenges and further optimize the software delivery process. So stay curious, stay updated, and never stop learning. With a solid understanding of DevOps and its tools, you are ready to navigate the fast-paced world of IT with agility and efficiency.